Aryabhatta I was the first of the major mathematician astronomers from the classical age of Indian mathematics and Indian astronomy. His works includes the Aryabhajya and the Arya Siddhanta. For his explicit mention of the relativity of motion, he also qualifies as a major early physicist. He is also the inventor of an important number, that is zero, without which nothing is possible in today's world.
Srinivasana Ramanujan. Srinivasana Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. Though he had almost no formal training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions, including solutions to the mathematical problems then considered unsolvable. Ramanujan initially developed his own mathematical research in isolation. According to Hans Eysenck, his work towards mathematics cannot be compared. He is a great Indian mathematician.
Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose was a biologist, physicist, botanist, and an early writer of science fiction. He pioneered the investigation of radio and microwave optics, made significant contributions to plant science, and laid the foundations of experimental science in the Indian subcontinent. IEEE named him one of the fathers of radio science. Bose is considered the father of Bengali science fiction and also invented the crescograph, a device for measuring the growth of plants. Let's pay tribute to his great works for Indians.
Acharya Sir Prafulla Chandra was an eminent Bengali chemist, educationist, historian, industrialist, and philanthropist. He established the first modern Indian research school in chemistry and is regarded as the father of chemical science in India. India will always be grateful to his work on chemistry.
Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was an eminent Indian scientist, second Indian Nobel laureate in physics after Tagore. His name was recommended for Nobel Prize in consecutive 7 years for Raman effect. In 1930, famous scientist Niels Bohr recommended his name for 11 times. Nobel Committee compelled to select him for the prize.
Satyendra Nath Bose was an Indian mathematician and physicist specializing in theoretical physics. He is best known for his work on quantum mechanics in the early 1920s. Collaboration with Albert Einstein in developing the foundation for Bose, Einstein's statistics and the theory of the Bose-Einstein condensate. He is a proud Indian Bengali mathematician. His works are really important for entire world.
Meghnad Saha was an Indian astrophysicist who developed the Saha-Ionization equation, which used to describe the chemical and physical conditions in stars. His work allowed astronomers to accurately relate the spectral classes of stars to their actual temperatures. His work of astrophysics makes him one of the greatest Indian scientists.
Sir Vikram Sarabhai is the father of Indian rocketry, pharmaceutical and chemical industry. He enriched Indian nuclear power as an entrepreneur, and he was founder chairman of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. He was a great social reformer and established several organizations which empower economic and social reform to India. From Sarabhai Chemicals, IIM, Microfinance to Women Self-Help Group was his brainchild.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. He also played a pivotal organizational, technical, and political role in India's Pokhran 2 nuclear tests in 1998, the first since the original nuclear test by India in 1974. Lots of respect and mirror to the upcoming youth of India.